All right, this I got from Justice. I've never used this before. Now, what you do, you will not see me do it. You would take this lid off, right here where my finger's pointing, the top part. Right here, I'm touching my nail. And you take it off. See how I did? Put the lid back on and you push this bottom part up. It will land in here. I'm just telling you how to do it because some people may not know how to do it. So just in case if you don't know how to do it, I told you how to do it, and it's bath bomb confetti from Justice, and it's berry. There's a unicorn, berry unicorn, I'm not sure, and a llama unicorn or an alpaca, I'm not sure, and a panda bear. So party like a unicorn. That's what it's called. I took the top off. Here we go. What I'm gonna do, whoops. Whee! You could have done it at a different more than one time, but who doesn't want to? It's all fun. Look at that. It's like slime. Not really, but okay. It feels all gooey and stuff when it gets in the water like that. Oh, my hand. It's like all sticky too. Look at that. So it feels kind of sticky. So I try to wash it off because I picked so much up. So the confetti, if I was doing it with two hands, probably be an A+. But with one hand, it's an A, it's a B-. And a sideways thumb. Playing with this, so entertaining. You know, it's kind of sticky. Not exactly sticky, but it's the kind of feeling that you're like, what is it kind of, like, it's really hard to describe it. It's kind of squish. I'm trying to describe for you guys because you're probably like thinking, what does it feel like? Okay, it's kind of like slimy mixed with squishy and sticky. Yeah. Like the sticky part is like on your fingers. And then the squishy is like when you're squishing it together and stuff. Let's see. It's taking a while just to get it off my fingers. Yeah, so now it's all fine. Bloop, 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 bloop. So, this is a thumbs up from Justice. Now, you do not have to do all of it if you do not want to. You can do it like multiple different times. And then you would have more confetti different times. If you are wondering if you've seen this kind of container before, yes, you probably have. This is the same kind that they make cake confetti things on Pinterest, not with the picture on it, or sometimes they'll put cake in it or different treats in it, and then they'll pop them up, or confetti. So yeah, so that's what it is. The stick is somewhere in my bath, well, in the bath, so I gotta find it.